Greetings. Every week I like to share a little personal thoughts about where we are and where we're going. And here we are in week 3, and I just wanted to mention a few things briefly about the writing plan, which, if you have not looked at it yet, when you do, you'll note that it is nearly identical to the writing notes. It's asking the same questions, but there's 2 additional questions. So if you have completed the writing notes and you had some omissions or you had some areas that were commented on, this gives you a chance to improve and expand on them. If your writing notes were very good and you feel confident, then I would, recommend that you read through them again and maybe add something or revise if there's answers or additional information that will make the answers more whole or more clear. And generally, if you've done very well with the notes, you do not have to reinvent the wheel in the writing plan, but you do have to take time to stop and think. And remember, there's 2 additional questions, one on revision and one on the feedback that you received and how you used it. The other assignment for this week is the annotated notes, and it requires 3 sources. One of them should be supporting the counter argument. The sources should come from the Shapiro Library, and it specifically points you towards opposing viewpoints. A few words about that. For most topics and for most students, I think it's the exact right way to go. Some topics you may have a better understanding or better path to finding your research. So the first thing I would recommend would be to use a general Gale search, which is in the databases, or an EBSCOhost search. These are larger databases, and you can cull down if you are not finding what you feel you need in the opposing viewpoints. And I've had several inquiries about using internet sources, and my answer is try to find at least one from the library. Internet sources may be acceptable, so I don't say do not use them, but they should pass that CRAP test, the CRAAP, and that's the other part of this week is the evaluation of your sources. So it's really a lot of great information, and research and citing your sources. The things that we're learning and developing in this course are things you're going to need for all of your classes going forward. So I highly encourage you to take advantage of this. This is a place to learn and make mistakes. And if you're having problems, please contact me. Many of you had some troubles with the writing notes and, didn't fully address all of the prompts and contacted me, and we talked about second chance. And I'm okay with revising material if it's in a timely manner. Will you be able to revise week 2 after you've done your draft in week 5? No. But at this point, yes, I will certainly consider a revision for assignments that did not get a passing grade in week 2. So that's it. I don't want to go on any further because the video goes on, and I could just, I'm Italian, so I talk a lot. I'm not talking with my hands, but actually I am. I'm just keeping them down. But I do want to encourage you to contact me if you need help and to do your best. And if you don't get it quite right and you don't get the grade you want, I know it's disappointing, but don't give up or dwell on it. Contact me and we'll talk about it, and we'll see how we can help you get to the next step and succeed. So I'm here for that, and we're having a wonderful fall day, believe it or not. Even here in South Florida, temperatures have dropped, very breezy, and it's really quite beautiful. So enjoy the weekend, and I look forward to seeing your work.